Today we are going to be using image trace in Adobe Illustrator to paint a skull. There's 3 different images down here that you're welcome to use. You'll just click on it, right click, and save image. Just know where you save it so you can quickly find it, and then you click save. Okay, or you can go to Google and search different sugar skull images and find another one that you like. Okay, you just want to make sure that it's a clear quality image and that it's not blurry. Okay, if you're not sure, ask before you go for it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is open Illustrator and create a letter size document that's 8.5 by 11 inches. Portrait. Okay, hopefully you already downloaded your skull. So I'm going to create a new file. It's already 11.5 by 8. Right now mine is landscape. I'm going to change that to portrait. Make sure that it says inches, because sometimes it'll say pixels, and then if you change this to 8.5 by 11, it's going to be super tiny. So make sure it says inches, high for raster effects, and click create. Okay, so if you haven't already, this is the time that you will need to go and download your image. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you're going to go to File and go to Place. You're going to find that image that you downloaded, click Place, and then you can click and drag it to make it the size of your paper, close enough. Okay, so here it is, and right now you can't do anything to it because it's an image. Okay, anytime you put an image into Illustrator, you want to embed it. So over here under properties, you'll see the word embed. You click that, and that just embeds the image into your document. It isn't super important for this assignment, but it is in basically any other time you're going to use an image. Okay, so we have this. You have this image trace button up here. You might not, but we're going to go to Window and open the image trace panel. So here it is. Let's open that up. We're going to go to preset and change it to black and white logo, and you'll see it start to change. Okay, so it's tracing the image. Here the threshold, this will kind of change the thickness of your lines, so you can move it up a little bit and kind of see what it does. You can move it down and see what it does. So this makes the lines smaller, and then moving it up will make it a little bit bigger. So just kind of decide how it is that you want that, and once you have that, that's good there. After that, you want to expand it. So if you go to Object, Expand, it's going to have Object and Field checked, and you're going to click OK. That expanded all of your lines. Then we need to do the Live Paint like we did yesterday. So we're going to go to Object, Live Paint, Make. Okay, and then you want to find your Live Paint Bucket tool. Again, it's under the Shape Builder. Right click Live Paint Bucket, or the shortcut, you can press K on your keyboard to quickly get that. And you should be able to see all your little your sections here highlighting. That means that you can paint them. Okay, again, you can use your arrows to toggle through the different colors, or you can open your swatches by going to Window, Swatches, and doing it there. If there's a color that you want to use that you don't see, you can always just double click here and you can create your own color. And then you want to add it to your swatches in case you want to use it again. So down here you can click the plus sign to add new swatch and click OK, and it'll come right down here. Okay. If the blue lines start to irritate you, I think after you color a few times, you should be able to like unclick it and then press K on your keyboard to get back to the Live Paint, and then you don't have to see all those blue lines again. Okay, because that is kind of annoying. Then you just go in and you're going to paint your skull however you see fit. Okay, and then we'll print it. I'm not going to put the printing part in the video. When you get to that part, let me know, and we'll see if we can print it from your computer, and if not, then you'll just turn it in and I'll print it for you. Okay, if you do want to turn in the document, save it as a PDF. So File, Save As, on the computer and change this to Adobe PDF. Okay, please don't turn in an Illustrator file. PDFs are much easier to open. I don't have to download it. Thank you. And that's it.